What's up YouTube? It's Mike again, about to hit you with another video. So I've been out here doing some yard work, and basically it's been a real hectic week. Been getting a lot of my guys ready for the car shows and stuff. So hit a car show yesterday, and forgot that I had one thing to install for the truck, and there. So y'all know that I have, of course, the Ram with the headlights that I did a slight review on when I first got them. So still got them, still looking good. They're definitely dirty. Let's see if the camera can pick that up. Yeah, there's some bug juice all on it. But anyway, so what we're gonna do today is to go ahead and get those LED headlights in. And so what I went with was, for the headlights, the Hikari LED headlights. So that is actually, should be 4 in each one. So let's open that up. See, manual before opening. Anyway, so that is the headlight bulb. See, it has a fan on it. This is what it looks like. These are the H7 bulbs, which is what those headlights came with. So I have 2 pairs of those, and then I think this is Mars Auto. You can't really see them in there. You can see the H10 LED fog light bulbs. So what I don't know is if my CAN bus system on the truck is going to act up and throw error codes for not having, you know, the original lights in. I don't know. We're going to see. Basically, I went with the Hikaris. They were like the best rated, cheaper LED headlights that I could find. So I went with those. And then these, I just found some LED fog lights just to try them out. So we'll see how they match up and all that good stuff. So first, we need to get all these panels and stuff off and get to the back of the headlight. So let's go ahead and do that. So again, for this, it's down there now, but just remove this top panel and you can get to the bolt here. Got to move the grill, and it's a bolt down there. I might not actually have to remove it. Let's see if I can focus on it. Yeah, so you can see that bolt right there. And let's see if I can get to it without removing the grill. Now, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. It's only those bolts that you have to remove. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all this apart, and let's go ahead and get into installing this headlight. So as you can see over there, the truck has no headlights. They are right here. So basically, we're just gonna look at it and see if we can get these LEDs installed. And I'm blogging on, I got a new phone, I got the S10 Plus. So I'm blogging on that today, see how that is. But yeah, basically the headlight bulbs are right where you see them at. We're gonna try to get the LEDs in there. So basically we're gonna pull the dust boots off. Hopefully it'll be a simple plug and play. We'll see. Alright, if y'all notice, it is almost dark out here. It's getting pretty dark. But I did the first light, so I have an idea of what to tell y'all on the second light. This was very difficult, and I guess it's because I didn't take the rings off standard or something. I don't know, but man, I've been messing with this for like 30 minutes just trying to get one in. So I finally figured it out. So basically, all you want to do is pop this off. So let me see if I can do it with my hand. So can't see it, but I just got that clip popped off. Do the same on the other side. So I can get it. Alright, so bam. Clip is off. So super simple, right? And now I'm just gonna bend the tabs around the light. And once you grab the wire, anyway, the bulb is out. So I'm gonna do the same on this side. So got my thumb in there. You can't see it. I can't show it to you. Well, maybe actually be able to. So I just pry down, sweep it to the side, Hold on. Scoot to the side. Alright, so that's one off. You can see it. This is on top of the clip. Do the same for the other side. This is what I found that works. Nothing else is working for me. You can see I'm having trouble with this. This headlight housing is so small. You know what? Let's grab a screwdriver. What do I do with it? Oh, alright, got it. So I'm just gonna push down and swing to the side. Alright, so works better if you use a screwdriver. But anyway, got that off. So I'm just gonna pry it to the side. Just like that. So alright, so once you get it all the way out, I just got to pop off that and install the new LED headlight. So let me go ahead and do that. Even easier, I just did it. Pull the harness off and then you just flip the whole thing up. So Mike was tripping, but anyway, we're gonna get there. So all I'm gonna do is, this is the factory light that came with it, H7 bulb. Just gonna sit it there. And the same for this one. Doing this with one hand. Bam. So as you can see, all 4 H7 halogen bulbs are right here. If you live in the South, you got to keep some kind of bug spray on you. But alright, so let's go ahead and get to the next LED set. So again, these are the Hikari H7s. This is how they come, nicely packaged. And I'm just gonna take one out, and they do have a polarity on them. Let's see if the camera's gonna focus on it. There we go. So you need to make sure you have that in the right spot. So if you can look at this, blue and black, so you can almost pretty bet that blue is positive, black is negative. So that's how I'm gonna hook it up. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so not even 1 minute later, I got the bulbs in. You can see the clips are secured. And if you look at this one, I'll turn it over. But you can see positive goes to blue, black is negative. This one right here is white and blue, and I have it the same way. Let's make sure that's all the way in also. Alright, so all thing left to do is put the dust covers up back on, install these back in the truck, and get to the LED fog light. So let's go ahead and do that. And I forgot one important thing. You want these clocked at a certain way. So if you can see this one is kind of to the side, I did go ahead and clock this one the correct way. But you want them straight up and down. You want it, I think it's 9 and 3. They say you want the beam. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that on this side. Alright, so bam, now we got it. So they're perfectly clocked. And now we're about to put dust boots on. Actually, simple enough process. Bam. And alright, so we're gonna throw these back on the truck and get the fog lights in, and we'll check it out. Alright, so we all done on the top. I got the plastic back in, that's up under here. All bolts are in, and the covers are in with the grill. So now the LED fog light should be super simple. I'm literally gonna lay on the ground and open these. Well, lay on the ground and take the old ones out, put them in. So hold on 1 second. Let's pop these open and take a look at them. All right, so here's one. Let the camera focus. Kind of see it. Anyway, just a basic LED bulb. So I'm just gonna pull the fog lights out, pop them in. We're gonna take a look and see what they look like. All right, and in 2 minutes we are back. You can see it in there, and on that side as well. So time to check out if they're gonna work. So like I said, I don't know what they're gonna do with this CAN bus system. I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood. And so y'all about to get a first look like me. Let's turn this light off. Alright, so the light is off. Let me grab my keys. Oh, jeez, that is clean. All I did was hit the unlock button. Alright, turn this thing on and see what we get. And I didn't adjust these yet, so we'll get that done too. Let's see if we're gonna get any errors. I do not know if we're gonna get errors. And you see that 8.2 miles a gallon, 35 miles left to empty. Because I was towing the Charger yesterday and I let my truck run all day at the car show. So I don't see an error yet. Let's take a look at them. Yeah, let's turn the high beams on. Yeah, see that? Ooh. Alright, so it looks like they're working. Alright, so here's a far back shot. You can see the right side has a fog light. Definitely has a little glare to it. Yeah, you can see that glare. But they match. Both of them are bright white. Let's see if we can focus. Nah, you can't. Camera can't catch it, but super crystal clear look. I'm gonna take a picture so you maybe can see how it looks from here. Look. That is what it really looks like in person as well, far back. That's kind of what I see from far back. It's like that. So, alright. Yeah, so that's just a quick install of the Hikari 87 bulbs into those newer style round projector headlights. Yeah, I guess projector and halogen, and the LED bulbs for the fog light. Don't see any errors on the dash. Gonna check to make sure. Nope. Let's jump up in here and cycle through messages. See, I can't even click on it. There's 0 messages, so no errors. Alright, so that's it for the fog light and headlight install. I'll let you know my thoughts later. Peace out. Alright, so here's the final of the LED headlights. I'm in the city, so can't really see too good. But seems to be, you know, fine. I can't really, so I'm gonna be honest, I can't really tell how much better I can see versus what it used to be. I know the original lights, they wasn't too great. Like it definitely was not the brightest. But now you can see I just passed that car with the halogen lights, and mine was a lot brighter. And so I do have the fog lights on, so you can see the fog lights just went off. So they're back on now. Let me get over. There's not really any dark areas around. So, and that's the high beam. So, see him in the thing over there. pretty good right now. It does make the truck look amazing. It definitely looks, you know, that real new feel to it. So, with that said, I'm pretty happy. So, let's see if you can tell. Nah, the camera doesn't do a good job of picking up the light. You can kind of see it there. But anyway, yeah, so with that said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. Check out later.